How you get that? That's what I'm about to make. But mine gonna be better. Yay! And help her wash her hands. She said help her. She need a wipe.
Understanding the fundamentals of making the perfect burger at home.
I'm making some onion and mushroom topping for my burger. Yes. Huh? Yes. You want to eat this too? I can eat this. I am going to cook it. Yeah. She doing her schoolwork. Okay. Huh? Yeah. She already washed her hands. Oh, she took her helmet off her head. Oh, she need to dry him up. Be too wet. Tie down.
I mean, that is the best looking chicken burger I've ever made. For number one. We got Yea I on the field. Question number one, which burger was the second one? And then second question is, which one tasted easier? First one, but the first one was drier, which was strange. First one tasted
Stand back. It's about to get real hot over here, okay? Stand back. Put it in trash.
Oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
Easy.